In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable anonymous access with a single click. Now, before we even delve into that topic, I need to make you aware of a site checker functionality within your Power Pages site. So when you run the site checker, sometimes you may encounter a situations whereby you may find that your site is has some sort of a warning. It says anonymous access to entity forms, entity list, and web form steps are enabled. Okay, so that means some of the forms are like accessible to the anonymous user. Okay, now you may have tried it using some for your dev environment first, but then make sure that once you run the site checker and if that has resulted in a warning, then you may need to navigate to table permission, and then you need to iterate through the table permission and check what kind of anonymous users access role you have given. So if you see in this table, there's one, then there are a couple of more anonymous user say roles we have given. Now how you can give an anonymous user role is like once you set up some permission against some table, and you give the access type, you add a role to anonymous users. Now sometimes it is desired, sometimes it is not needed, so try to avoid using anonymous users role if possible. If your system or if your basic requirement allows it to be curtailed. Okay, now how do we enable or disable it? Okay, now here you can manually go into the permission and then remove that anonymous users rights. Okay, or what you can do is you can go into Power Platform Admin Center. Okay, under resources you can go to Power Pages site, and then there is like a drop menu. If you see over here, it's called as governance control, and if you click over here, you can disable anonymous access. So if I select say any of the site, okay, and if I click on the governance control, I can disable anonymous access. Then it says use this setting to control if anonymous users can access Dataverse via Power Pages. I can disable anonymous access in none of the sites, all the sites, specific site. So I need to specify the site name. Okay, so let me select this one. Okay, and then I can click on save. The moment I click on save, it will throw you a warning. It says, are you sure you want to change the anonymous access setting? Now, this will restart all the sites for which anonymous access permissions are updated. That is one. First thing is that it will restart the site. And then what might happen is like if, say, your site uses or your pages uses anonymous content, anonymous user content, those all will be disabled. Okay, so that means your user will not be able to access those control and or content, and then they need to log in using some sign-in mechanism like an Azure AD or any local authentication. So that's it, folks. This is all about disabling anonymous access for your Power Pages site. Thanks for watching.